This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find your account number on Crypto.com. Many users look for a general account number, but on Crypto.com, this typically refers to the specific details for depositing fiat currency into your wallet. To begin, simply open your Crypto.com app on your mobile device. From the bottom navigation bar, tap on the Accounts tab. Then, select Fiat Wallet from the list to proceed to the next step. Once you are inside your Fiat wallet, you will need to choose the specific currency you wish to deposit, such as US dollars, euros, or British pounds. After selecting your currency, tap Transfer, then Deposit, and confirm your currency choice again. Next, you will select your preferred deposit method, which could be an ACH bank transfer for US dollars or a SEPA transfer for euros, depending on your region. After choosing your deposit method, you will see an option to view deposit details. Tapping this will display all the necessary banking information, including the routing number and your unique Crypto.com account number. Carefully copy these details. You will then use them to set up a transfer from your external bank account directly to your Crypto.com Fiat wallet. Always ensure the names on both accounts match perfectly for a successful transaction. It is absolutely crucial to always double-check all deposit details, including the routing and account numbers, before initiating any transfer. Remember, funds must come from a bank account registered under your exact legal name to ensure successful processing and avoid any delays. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener for a fresh ride. Check the description for a link to this and other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.